Hey guys, today we are going to do volume of cones. That is our second shape for volume. So here we go, let's get started. So 8.7a, volume of cones. Okay, formula. This is what is written on the formula chart. V equals 1/3 area of the base times the height. This is on the formula chart. The 1/3 is there because in the water video with that blue water, we saw that 3 cones can fit into one cylinder. So we're going to use the same formula for the cylinder, but we need to put 1/3 in there and multiply it by 1/3 because we just need 1/3 of it. We're going to rewrite this as 1/3 pi r squared h, just like cylinders, because B is area of the base. And the base is a circle. An area of a circle is pi r squared. And then we know h equals our height. Okay, so here's our examples. You find the radius and the height, and you plug it into the formula. So let's see, here's the first picture. Let's see, you have a cone that measures, let's say the height is 10, and let's say the radius is 6. So we know the radius equals 6, the height equals 10. Step 1, write your formula. V equals 1/3 pi r squared times the height. So I'm going to put that here. Pi 6 squared times 10. Calculator. One-third, so you're going to hit 1 divided by 3. You're going to hit pi 6 squared 10. And you know the volume of this cone is 376.9. So V equals 376.99. Okay? Let's do another one. We have our cone. And the diameter is 16. And the height is 18. So let's see what we know. We know the diameter. Well, first write your formula. V equals 1/3 pi r squared h. We know the diameter equals 16, and we don't want that. D for diameter means we need to divide it by 2. And now we know the radius equals 8. We know the height is 18, and we're ready to put this in the formula. V equals 1/3 pi 8 squared times 18. So we only need half of this. One-third, 1 divided by 3, pi, 8 squared, 18. 1,206.37. Volume equals 1,206.37. And then sometimes they give you word problems, and let's just try that. So you have word problem. They love to have you do 2 examples, then you can, let's see, let's say you have an ice cream cone. That is 6 inches tall and a radius of 3. Then you have a small cone that is 4 inches high. Or, I'm sorry, 3 inches high. And a radius of 1. How much more can the large cone hold? Okay. So we have our large cone. We know our formula is 1/3 pi r squared h. We know the radius is 3. We know the height is 6. So we can put this in volume equals 1/3 pi 3 squared times 6. 1 divided by 3 pi 3 squared 6. We know the volume of the large cone is 56.55. Now let's do the small one. And they told us they have a radius of 1 and a height of 3. Put that in the formula. V equals 1/3 pi 1 squared times 3. 1 divided by 3 pi 1 squared times 3. And 3.14. That's funny. Anyway, so we know the volume of the small one is 3.14. So this one is really, really little. This one holds way more. But they're asking for the difference, so we will subtract 56.55 minus 3.14, and we will get our answer. So 56.55 minus 3.14, and we know the larger cone holds way more than the smaller cone. That'll do it for volume of cones. Thank you for watching.